Ebra yeshase and then 3 days. Adam ka say osofu bi owo krom ha say ye frɛ no Prophet Kofi Oduro. Was in a national Alabasta Church. Na President update number 23 or so. Na what the measures etuho. Because Ghana fu near ekoso ewo mayimu. Now look, the latest rankings are on management of COVID-19. International organization and no. The whole world, yes, say a man penny for more bombarding a management of COVID-19. President Ibidi Kai Obi Tosumienu, Ghana president and a Tosumiensa. Hey, me de hwa me hu. Me de hwa me hu. Meni aje say me wo president a we asia fana nyina assessment of management of COVID-19 na yen Ghana yeto so 3. Na se me hwe Nigeria ni bia no oye video bi me say the guy ne say onyaye ananko ye Ghana ni we proud of your president. Na Prophet Kofi Oduro o de wo na we say woye kokotako. Eti wono woka eno ano no. Na papa o arrogate power be to himself a menim be bi onya sa power de free. So said me kan nra no. Ye wasofo mpenimfo okrom ha sei. They are quiet. They are quiet. And that is the bane of this country. Nyame ekoswa enkrofo asese omo kasa no. They don't talk. Omo asese omo twe enkrofo adwene siso se saade we ya wo ye enye papa omo nka. Mama no nko pasisi ya na hwade. Na reaction ashase na eba. But in fixes, there is a law that in every action there is equal and equal reaction to that. Eti say action here, as a say reaction eba. Eti say ye din na say yankasa na ekoso sa one thing. This man offered no prophet no. Prophet Kofi Oduro no. Gradually no war indoctrinate Ghanaians. Chese ye bedru baby no. Ye be so indiscipline in this country. Ye be indiscipline. Because hwe Ghana ha asase so ho. Ye se Nyankopon e na hwe nyina so. Sene Nyankopon ete soro yesom no what the representatives aba so for the representative of you odo no o kanya mi asem ni bi keke o jaje wo ka bi keke wono ana efi se o waye okay wako Bible school or ye sofo fine begana ha say ya ye enhyehyeye a ye toaba ne yi nipa baako se wono na ndi Ghana nyina anim da wonhwe yen ye Nyankopon no ye Nyankopon no because se wanya bibi ye nyina ye betimawu ewo ye mai mu ha sei enti na ukọ Bible no mu a abre no na yese Nyankopon atu ne hene na wotu ya wodi si ho no ete se enne eye president of any country baby wo ho no mu a yete se omo eto aba baby o hono mu a ono appointe ene de kai ka ho ana wo hwa bible mu a ohini bia ni ho a yeyi na ye izesa tumi wo hoi emu odu pao emu odu hwe emre bia na meka there is no kingdom in the Bible up to Jesus Christ amojangu. So it should tell you say yes sister obi wo tumi obi eye penny obi a president it's not just an easy thing. But this prophet Kofi Oduro aye na adwene say wono de obu odi ebu wonfa bi ma ye mampeni ye president da. You can belong to any party. I am not saying say or party A and I say party B, but you know say Ghana has say, hey, obi o Ghana has say or nanti bi our party. Only say a man for ni bi o no mo a o mo nye can say party politics. But Kofi Oduro wo ye sofo a esese ye hwe edisua de. Wo na esese wo kire discipline. Wo na esese wo kire nkofo say yendi mraso. Woman, why you too indiscipline in this country? Because officer who preacher who team no just say na go 1986 or so ana mitie Pastor Mensa Otabil the preaching that time who say na ye yegu cassette so ni atoto na ye boni etie any ade. No, Mr. Titie no 1983. Eti those days you know. Ya call that time mo brown hafo. Ye bokumasi bia no ma toto sa cassette no. Na ye de ye. Na the cassette ba kwa ye tie ye. Omo ye international organization bi. Aye survey said na mama award yi. Eba Pastor Mensa Otabil winning the best preacher in West Africa, early 80s, best preacher. And then Pastor Mensa Otabil or Honum, but that's why we preach. One can say we preaching from that time. I just want when they say you went here, or no, and they on one. Prophet Kofi Oduro, ma catch say o kasano, one can say ye. Ma catch say. Wani nso adie umu adie hwe edana metie no woko OKFM no aya no aka kwasia wo Bible mu no akwa bie Proverbs no akwa bie yi enya mo asofo na mo se Old Testament no yi wo hunti ane ade New Bible na de ntina kwasia na wo New Testament mu no ya wo nkotu wo refia Matthew 5:22. Waka bibifa kwasi ahu. Wose onipa biara a wo bebie wano aka kire wo nua se wo ye kwasi ano. Osra himamu unkobi. Oda wo hwe me bia wo ti ofie wo office ana se bibisa wo kita Bible a bie. Ene Bible nye na wo phone so. Bie na kan. Waka. Wose obi obesi ne nua raka a se kire okwasi ana se onipa hu. Osra himamu unkobi. And this is the man our friend who prophet who jina a use to preach now the man 30 minutes. Obe we know use the word kwasi about 20 times. And obi a kwasi to and now we say we say and now wo tonyom na ye say o kwasi to ni ne kai ka ho. O yes am mani na. Adam Gogu. It's not a beef. Means that any beef, that beef, no, I'm not part of it. I am saying something very fundamental. And who hear the whole nation? And who hear the whole nation? As you say, yeah, politics. Nebia, can politicians, yeah, ubia wo dance about what can any other. So, ubia him say, yeah, politics. This is a man of God. You need to teach the principles of God. And yes, Nyankopon enye saka. Nyankopon, yes, God is a God of discipline. Na, yedina yenim say, ye president onye doctor ni wonye obi a wo hwe apomuden ho ene ade wode de woko school ni okoko suaye a wode ye adwuma eye law ye nim se oye lawyer ye wa doctor for ho a doctor for na nkasa nsoso kra wo ho no mu no ye wo omo ye scientist omo hwehwe enuama mu omo ye say ye wo lab technicians ye wo nurse for the kan they all come together and arrive at certain things eti yare bi wo ho no na se omo hwe kra na enya nipa baako adwene omo nyina kekasa no ma wo nyina bom no omo de aden omo de ayadwuma enti wo mam ye hu se bebi a yaduru no enya Ghana nko asem ne ye kan o wiase afana nyina the most powerful country on this earth America omu hu so UK for omu hu so Germany for omu hu so na Ghana de nga ye ka nga de ye ka hu bi ebi ato yen can you see look let us do this. I thought that man for say lockdown. It's not easy. Yeah, your system here in this country. Ya kase shedema ko baby obeden wadidi. Abroje de okase obi shedema. Restaurant for sure mu restaurant omu ye yi. Ye wo few people bi a omu be delivery. Eti eno ansa wo shawo dem. Wo si o me pe fried rice and chicken. Na wo de wo card na say mobile money na wo de atuaka. Ote hwa de abele o. De aduane asikwan no. Na waba befa wade na odi call inside no akwakodidi bibi bia wo pe bia no wo betima hye wo dem 1 year awu sabeka essence systems no so eye kamenti aban pese wo ma obia bibi kakra di to aduane adi a obia sabeka ne de because system no eye kama obia account number obia bibia e wo system mu Ghana hase ye be yeden yakase obi anhye dem a wo be yeten and wo live enti ade aginsam president ba wasilo figures na ba bonten no eye so alarming enti asramu public events bibi ti say wedding na say how many weddings na was already them Nancy, Saudi wadi tu for moi. What is a hood where ye ginano, emu 80%, and see was sorry them. A month for see a the guardian, ye no was a ye nin a kaka will be crowded fear no was she shall hold not so far by no bed, no babresi. It's weddings, nightclubs, beach, and then the kaka hunino. Ye say ye the somato so. And she said, Ubia etimi a yes adeno. Na asori nsoso no ye hye mo se moko asori a munni emra na ye de ato ho no so obia be wura asori dem ho no won horo ne nsa o make sure so ahye nose mask no wo de sanitizer ayayi wo wura asori dem ho a ye ntiti ye mu da ye make sure say bibia ye den aye kama ana o kan sa asemu yi sabe President Bonia waye den. First time I kasi akọ lockdown. Obi se woni de wo pia kwa abonte kra kwa hwe se obi ani abonte ana. Security for years or more enforce law kaka ye nyina ye hu ye. Send the media for ese efa asem no ana obi apia adenti na ese bia obu nipa no adenti na ese opanish nipa no ene de kai ka ho. Nafi ama saadu amano aginsam President kasa semu ya sofu ya ofren ho prophet eye prophet Kofi Oduro ba ya president nyani okan na oye hypocrite chese oye nyachum na God will punish hypocrisy. Hey! So for onsro nyame o. Me de sabe Bible do menimu. But minim one thing. When you read Romans chapter 13, from verse 1 going, Ekasembi, wase mo makra nyina amre bro mo ho ase, enhye tumi biara ewo anu nyamase. Na tumi biara ndi ho gye efri onyame. Eti omo ni tumi ni di asie no, omo ne ono nyankopon ene di asie. Prophet Kofi Oduro, Mediamon, kan Nana Gagra, o question na ubisa de inconsequencia. When the update of the COVID, I will be say about president din. When the update. You see, it is a obekase. The government should take responsibility. Government cannot say now will be a question of political rallies. No monkonko tuaba ye inauguration. And in the ekaika and then amad in akoso. Look, are you telling me say because of that your constitutional man and right? Ye njai na ye nya constitutional crisis. Sana obesa ochre. Opede ogasare de anya de bagograo. Anya de bakukra. Na ubenya Ghana force so papa no wakasa yie pa. Yo. Monkoso pa. Ose usu. I don't think Senkasi say Obasokra Babeshe for the first time. For you to write that thing. I don't think Senkasi say Oba me page in Sokra. So, if you think it's needless, why should you come there? You are one of the people Omuma Ghana Yawo problem Kesiapano. You are one of them. Yama region achichiriyen I indoctrinate you to a point say chese ya famra nyaduma. Eti obi timika say me dware me hunso na me dware no mo nsansuo no nom mo be kama na di padjechire no mo sa no mo nom. Israel ana nyamsom ehyaase. You cannot go and do that. Israel sofu bia ni Israel Prime Minister ebe kasa say COVID in Shishayeni. Our Baba catch Prime Minister and say, "Oh, you're a hypocrite." He will not leave. I'm telling you. I have been to Israel before. Ujina Jerusalem, uhu Bethlehem say, as one timin koko. What do you mean? Omako Israel. They know. Say Israel. Prime Minister Akasa. Why? Say, you can't say, so for be best original, Ababeka say, why you hypocrite. I mean, Sassam na walkano. Woba, or say, which I would say needless, no. Say, medium or age. Say, what would not say, woba, Nasa or Shesa Papana, and so who say, straight away, Aqualano, ye dear bibi, ewunumu. Se peni kasa ese utibi jena no si nchen. Me hunu ye. Me hunu se we a political preacher. Se what they study the preaching. We a political preacher. Ye will be ohono a asofo, yes, you have right to also add a voice. But as no send obey no. Etina be say all the time no ayana I am proud of my Bishop Ajinasare. I am proud of him. Last be or Kasembi na amanfo say wanka ye. The following ye or chese or polishino kama afi ubia who say yes, this is a matured man of God. So no. The meka nyina ne say asofo ni nyina no mo wo groups mo joining cancers ne ho de kekakeka ho mesrem asofo mpenifo moma yehwe bibi me wo ayi bi wa ha say am pese yehwe am say Ghana National Charismatic Churches Council, say Council of Churches, NACCC. Na ehonum I'm say National Association of Charismatic Churches something. Na wokɔ hɔ no mu a saa papa yi asɔre. Wokɔ saa website na ɛno ɛna number 2 Alambasta Church House Chapel. Action Chapel na FS Alambasta ediso na edididi so sa am say omo ye no according to alphabetical order. Ana edididi so. Na me hwɛ mu a sɛ me hu ayi na but me ma sɔre nka ho. Wokɔ Perez wo Pentecostal Council ɛhɔ any ade. Na sa council we no am say Bishop Mills ana oda no me nim say oda so eda no a ye wo mpanimfo ahodo bebre amo honom. You need to call this man to order. You need to call this man to order. Because the wo ye no emfa kwan mu. Emfa kwan mu. Ye can the first 20-30 good pastors in this country. Nedi imam. Ye nimsi abebo Duncan Williams mo Bishop Adinasare Pastor Mensa Utabedagwo amsene wenu ya bebo abasa. Kofi Oduro udi imam. Uchachi, how many branches? What it know how it's a hifa. Ana ye Samuel Mawi. Then you come and then insult the president. Ni a jat to honum say, hey, why ye nyamini panti? Me mama be diwatem, me mama me kasantiao, bet me say wasem na wokaye no anchrebu. Anchrebu, president of a nation. A wakase ene sabreya ye kase wakase obia nkwasha dem na wo wudi America da kwasha wo dem ada. Na constitution ni say wo duty so wo boga na ni bia ho ban. Na yare yi ba no the measures abeto ho no ma wo so a hypocrite. Openi Kofi Oduro. Umuade. Na makache say Sunday because of winter no Sunday me man grofo aba wasoro aba beti so one retract apologize to a year Tuesday expect a press conference from me and I will call all the authorities to call you to order. Menkasi ebechiwo, menkasi ebe yo bibiao. But asofo mpenimfo cancers ne Christian cancer ne ye kakeka ho nyina no, they need to call you to order. Because all conscientizing Ghanaians to resort to indiscipline. Why are we nyina eno ano no? Who percent Ghanaians resort to indiscipline? Nanka president akasa president yet near marginal kakran say be say anasi say to the point he say you are hypocrite and God will judge you. Hey, Papa we pa bobody share makachro me say uti ye nyina ne say Akufo-Addo and the president. Uti ye nyina no. Ekwaya ba ko na ka wa obohu. Kasabre ka obohu se ni omu roll left and right. Kompeti watema ma wa raho. Wodim. But we are not going to do that. Yeah, the big nyina ne say retract the statement and then apologize to the president. He said, "Oh, friend is all a hypocrite." We are not going to allow that to happen. We are giving you time. So why nya na chese boapayo? Ade ese kokra ma mfere se obesi uhuni so awon so ma mfere se odi asa wa beta so. Aditi na me kasa nyina from 3 days ago, me kasa nyina no, me say me mesha me kasa, me kasa e mama no ejeden entiawo. Me nkonkodi watem. But ye twe wadwene si so. So ye nyame nipa a wo se wo ye nyame sofo a sasem we ya meken ese to wakoma so na wo ka se president. I am sorry for that. How can you say that? Are you God? She we are see how you we. She wo ye nyankopon a ye nyankopon ne wo Supreme Court on go for the door. Judges no mdedi ono. You have not appeared before them. Nka wa wo hu se ne sitie. Wo gina omoni mu a wo hu se ne sunsum eho eye durufa. On ma mebo. Bo betima ka se kokodam for life. And you go. Sankrofoni nyina ehye papa yase. Wo mudi obuo emano. Asofo mpanimfo a mabubo omudi nyina ede obuo ema president. Wodi a wo se wo so sofo ema Ghana hada. Eti president kase bia uba bedi atem. Meanwhile president kase Ghana for emu so free. Na wodi America na wo buni free. Na wodi America na wo buni free. Yet electricity so na wani age na wo sunlight. I don't know the one guy so a hypocrite. Share. We are not going to allow that. Also, may say retract it on your platform. Now apologize to the president. Say what friend so a hypocrite. Ayatem Didier. Bible no baby a SU2 no wakotu hodom no wakan. Share. Wokotu Proverbs a yebe kotu Matthew e de amount. So wokotu Proverbs yebe kotu Matthew e de amount. E na maka no. Say yes, okwa ya say so kwasia e wo Proverbs wo bekeka ba wo ka oba Matthew hodom a chapter 5 hodom a wo de wo kan a e ka kire wase obi obesi ni nua se oye kwasia bia osoro ahemamu wonko bi count to number of kwasia wasi mkrofo up to now count to there's a heavy ho ben ho e dey asem ni ekai do kre da ho dey agaw ebra covid no mu ye din somewhere June ho no mo say ayi ho no say April ho say June ho baby be refi the actual month last year South Korea ye ni ha no mu nyina ekokoye ye kan say omo ye elections corona no mu pa no South Korea and the first country hold elections. Yes, omo ajiminti no mo hold election no that be because they have a constitution. Time no pa ho na so omo antimanya, there will be a crisis. Who will call himself a president? I will manage this situation na. Akamfo e wasembi wom se ye sukra ijahim. So Yesu a ijahim. Yare na no odin. Asisi nyina ye hwe ehu so ye. Na wo sofo na nkasakra no. Wa sorry them. O wa da hwe se obia hye max na de ye kan say. Camera to om so. Why ya there? Wa sorry them ho nso sa. Wo sofo ya wo kasa yi. Hwe se de wo kasa wo tietiem. Kasa. Wo kasa wan tiemu kra na intesuo fluid no e banketenkete. Na se ne wo tietiem tie. Wo de mun droplets ahodo a eba. You have no idea. You have no idea. Kasa no atiem tie na wo tugum sa na wo tugum. Ebi beki kan crofo max wode na no ka ne nsaka max no ayi wode ne nsaka nani anase ne hwene wa infected no. Menka sa wo corona but it can be so. Now one serious thing wo kan ya emma me to asadi we so. Ma shed that full video no asi. What's it then? What's it coronavirus no enkokra na egungumomo. Should I say you are ignorant about that? Enkwala ne gu you can say enkokra na egungumomo. Eti wo kan kwakwa kase chese akufu ado ya kokra. Enkokra fo de kumomo. na wo de mo nkoso ebe kukum ye de ye mrantie na je se wo Kofi Oduro de o ya brantie eti wo de corona no entimi nkum Nyankopon hira opa why Nyankopon hira opa hwe obi bi ode na no si Akufo Addo so ana Akufo Addo bewu ana Akufo Addo be se ne nyina Akufo Addo hwe wo hwe o mo ayie wo hwe emrantie ne mabawa no mo ye ana Akufo Addo ese Akufo Addo hwe di nyina akwa bi o madam fo ntimi mbese meka story kasam to Akufo Addo so ya Akufo Addo ku ne yire ani na otwemienu na ono an yire awu atu de fa wa no si president so hey sia chese odo corona be ku no ejesa o de o ya branch enti u benyi ache god Nyankopon ene mani pankon Nyankopon ne hwe nyina so Nyankopon wode ne hwe nyina so enye o preaching tin out as you should know share one American preacher be a very great pa me refilling chese asofo wo kromo nyina obi ate ne nkape na obi aya let obi atie no wo ye good otukwan ono a woni private jet otukwan akwaba Rome woni ne yire ne manyina omo awu nyame nipa okwakoye nyame adwuma wo wate atofo mo awu amunu mu hono mo a etu do ya brantia yo koso Akufo Addo de ye nyina yenim so ya kokra but Nyankopon na boss robo asase no obehwe Akufo Addo so ama Akufo Addo ani ache ama Akufo Addo ahwe Ghana fo nyina so ama bibia akoso kama bibia be koso kama etu de koso yesramo asofo mpedifo yesramo monfa mo anu ntum yase ejire so a kafese pa samu ajire so a ni akosofo sofo kasa wo se Nyankopon ti obonse no bia ayedin no bia jetum ni yeko yedim nene wo se president ababema update onti ase se wo se ade no kosoro asifu se mra pene shase kosoro oveni umwadi ejo tipeni president ana waja anase wona enye wo maame ko a wochemu wo anase sabio wo papa onye se wo maame enkwane waja ne wona ni hu se peni bia obi bia wodi wonim a woye peni wodi akase bia wontimi nwo woye wodua peni kura oni 60 years o oni 60 years obehwe na bia me ne wa na wo ayi bia wa chan mi abe 2 years bia na se biza zom etese Bible ni se di waja ne wonani na wona ayeden aware e wasase so wo ye sofo you know and for the year say Ghana is concerned ye nyina ye papa ene Akufo Addo ene John Mahama ne papa ene Akufo Addo because ene Akufo Addo ene ti akonya no so Akufo Addo ne ti akonya no so etie nyina we look up to him na woso oye hypocrite eti sofo duro Kofi Oduro se wakufie na oba a wawo no wama instruction bi say yi na ogina wanimu hwe wanimu anu okase wo ye hypocrite. How will you feel ne ehame eye indiscipline wo inculcating into the people of Ghana. He wo kanyina na asori for no mu bom nsam say eish Nyankopon fa ye bone ncheyen wuti asori dem wudi o mampeni atem na asori ma eye den e bom nsam Wahu how ya brand yen, ya brand food yen. Eti nena no woka no monti ase. Tie, I am telling you. Enope enana encourage you. No woka tie, I'm telling you no. Me say droplets are na aircon no. Na nyagro. Na what de koso kase president ye hypocrite. Eti nsemo a waka no what de wonfa anya asem. When they start hating your church members, ubehu ni padodo abeba ababeto correction mo. Ubehu. Nanu ya president kase ya ye lockdown kakra. Ma ye nkwa sorry. Na wu kam. Na wu kam. Adentina wanye ni antina ho. Say ye easy sa. Adentina wanye ni antina ho. In fact, Ghana for mumma yen sorry. Na yen kasa. Ewo ni DNA obuo kwan so. Papa yi wa anya ni yie, mum yen kan kire no. Akufo-Addo wonye Nyankopon ba. Nyankopon de ma ye wo no, ne ma me de papa wo no. Na office any Nyankopon adom de wodo so a Akufo-Addo go be president. Hwe circumstances. So I call election severally and so be your president. It should tell you how I Nyankopon edonofa. So ye nyaminipa. Eti o ye nka wasem. Ah, me say I've given you up to Sunday in your church service. As I said, wo kasa asem wi. Upon second thought, you should have a way of dealing with it. But you need to apologize to the president. One yes, sir, may say I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. I don't know by a bigger forum. Let the public be then would deal with this issue at that level. Yen transe, massa indiscipline, koso. You are to lead. You are to show the way. You can say Claire Nana okay o said wouldn't no crash as a CDO account. So a 7 I may delay with no. If you are not interested, go off, please. If you are not interested, go off. I am begging you. Pardon. Me odi matter my family. But you cannot touch the president and then we'll keep quiet. We cannot. We cannot. Say political person be and other papa kasha ye say LDC for kasada. CPP for kasada, Obia kasada, Anambwa. What is Obia kwa comment da? No. Yani ya ye want to say ye politics. Eti ye wo ye kanu political talks. It's there. It's accepted. Wona wo ye sofo. People are looking up to you. You don't do that. You don't do that. Share Germany. Nientia. Womu ye discipline bibia ekoso eye ewo ho ne se. Ya wo akola no. Na ye de emra no ahya akola no mu. Eti akola ne nim se sadie we yenye. Wonim. Se woni akola nam ewo Germany. Na wadru kwa ho crossing. Assault red. Abani pase untimi nko. Wo hwe kwanu mu ka bia ama. Be 500 meters away ka bia ama. You don't have the right to cross. Se wo pani no nko agrade a wasam ye ayi kakra. Se akola school going age eka wo ho. Now they no cross wa age. Wo ya hoho na wo people square timi jo people no twam ni antipoto. Because you so corrupt akola no mind odinyin. Eti hwe okwa brochira kraman kraman apie the kraman no nko akra no dru kwan ho be onim se esese ofa zebra crossing so odru onu no hu se red no pe kraman be gina ho a so green na no atiasim no okọ enkraman yo e wa brochire. What do we see in Ghana? The bane of Ghana today is our region. Our region. Our region. Among for Tennessee. What just said, so for be preacher would say now who say yes. Make I last Sunday be a sorry. That is so for preaching. I know go far social media near there them say oh preacher what shall say meeting na be say the way I open my mind that day what now just say what you say asem wa ma hu nneoma bia this one kasa. That is what we need. Yen chire Ghana for the SSA den ye ma yen chire Ghana for in discipline no eti sofu Kofi we say coming Sunday you need to stand on your altar where Wokase president a hypocrite because wabema update you have to be there and retract and then apologize to the president. You need to do that. It's a must. It's a must. Nana okay. One share my broke war from me so. That is it is my war. It is my war. And this is not politics. I'm talking about indiscipline. So you're true Ghanaian, you should be concerned about that. You should be concerned about that. And it's in Yatanasia Sabe. Former President Mahama, Ochemi Penny. And she said, Metnase at my private my too insulted. I can't do that. I can't do that. I know more follow me pa. Answer no bon se manu atra let us say obi the one ababeji too. So because samemeti honum ye politics ye discussion now dia kufu adate ma menga so ya de ko no it is politics. I am talking about a religious leader and for that matter a prophet. You see, what can one Ghana anya problem no? What can? Because what is so of won't fear CBM. Won't fear say, Mr. Officer won't me fear. I mean, back off and then go baby. What I'm saying is, Prophet Kofi Odro must apologize to President. Kofi Odro must retract that he said president you hypocrite because wababa ma update aka say yare no ekosoro yen hwe ehu ye yen share mask yen huru yensa ne yen sanitize yen social distancing eti o ye hypocrite no because wa makwa ya mbia kwa koto aba wa makwa ya mbia kwa koye inauguration edi ne kaka ho hwe se utie ni statement kra why na wa mo fa ballot paper wo parliament na mo we no hey prophet we are disgrace. You are a disgrace. Because what ye ase dunketia, ama ase dunketia say obi for ballot paper and na no worry. No worry me do that. Meanwhile, ye gina ye hwebi. Carlos was in max. No one shed those marks. It's what the for nose mask na no worry and den. Because I would say obi kanti no. What gina property so can say parliament obi fa ballot paper na worry no na one spread there yi. We a disgrace. With all due respect. And you should say fine. Maybe ebrebi ameka. Yankopon ane edan no. Yankopon ane esrese wo ma ye nkwatenten. Oh, a problem with also Bempa. Kona koko condemn no why? Pepacho. Kona koko condemn no. Me asemo aba. A sofu bi echre Ghana for in discipline no. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti menka obi asem. Asofo Ghana doso pa. Sofu ba ko pe na meka na asem. Na sa sofu ba ko no a meka na asem no. Eye na asem a waka. Atemu a wadi president sa o show Ghana for in discipline eno ho asem na meka eti o aye you are on Facebook so Facebook na so kan wo de ana mebwa ka wo de eti mesre se Ghana for moma yenyina yemfa yano entum na bibia entimi enkoye me de what I am seeking to do and say papa no ebeka bibi na sorry ma hu se oh papa adwene ba no ho so kra no watimi aye bibi afa this guy I need to block you because onye ready to I mean I am going to block you Nana okay I will block you you will not have access to my wall again what here anyansafo na egusu no etie eti ye waye free honum na ye de yen ho ne ye be enti the basic to do ni say sofo no ebema na sorry emma ehun say look we as Ghanaians we need to be disciplined. President is one person. Ministers say you omo an yes ministers do omo ye 126 wa sorry ma do so say ministers no right etiri ade debate my eye individuals and ye beba mu an ye ba benya that collective effort to deal with any issue in Ghana. Eti misro. I don't think say near official free president to hono. Utimi ye bi ma won sorry ma. I don't think so. I don't think so. Eti you are also to lead. Make sure. Say bibia ekoso. She, obi say easy za. Enye izo. Eje easy. That sabiama we no. You see, you say it is always good to be bold and fearless, but at times it's better to be coward. During that statement, it is always good to be bold and fearless, but at times it is better to be coward. And you go for I don't want to ever magana. I don't want to be to Magasatiamu. David. But the person me catch what they say. We are not going to accept your insult on president. This is not the first time. My monitor watch kakra. Na times the way president ekasa president yem the way obese to phone enye etiesro yase ne opese amanfo eyema no esise wo yesa bi ema afoforo eti misrawa yes na Solomon eka no se Bible no kra eka se okasa about respect wo respect na se wo ona wawofo a boshe ewum wase ema wo yeden unyinche sasem we menya sofo menya prophet me are just an ordinary person. I'm quite sorry. Woman makinka me Bible. Kakra me ni mumu. Sofo Kofi Dru. Say one retract is as way. I apologize to president. Obenya problem. Nyanko problem was sorry no crab. Take it from me. Say one patch wa nyanko pon be ma wa sorry no agu. That ube tietie mo anu bi asore firi wa sorry honom no oko. Be humble and eat your humble pie. A third president say you are sorry for calling him a hypocrite. Say that. Why just idea you ever go jump the so you can say 6 months so say electricity in ever more train in full. Ensure I will normally free and I'll be trading in full. If you don't respect the president, I can offer you no. What is your by your Jamaica Waje? I out there, oh no, oh soccer, also air condition, with him, I out there. What by on fat taxi be amre say Muntia, no I can say I didn't know the taxi brain. Ye nim ranoso because a man for woo, ya no cosro, ye hospital signa ye ma. Hey, and that's a Edra and will be catch him say, Yeba Baimu 2017, custom penia, ye no commander, tema, habo, your friend no, can say, Manticoju. Edra will be catch him say, wahoo, because of COVID. I was so shocked. I was shocked. Hey, Papa, you tell him so come, just say, walk over. I am a mama. Dear, a shock me cry. I am the national security coordinator. Hey, what be catcher me say, Papa, ever coso, just say, a bear me to muda. No want to do no cacraja. Yen you him say Ghana, the other program, your Maria, who treat Maria, just say, well, the Niban Hoswa, Papa. Hey. Share near air to a month for. Sabe, despite group of companies are a your mama pine, a mau preachy, a more TV, so no more radio. So, despite company bacon, the manager bacon, ya. Oko. Wayago gra. Coffee draw which chance I branch to baby. Oko. Eti wuti hono me say, go for ya go grantino, ya renu kunkum ngografo. Yo chrome say. Yankopon a chese ono na ye the ultimate judge no obe judge wo ni president. So say God will judge a president because of a hypocrite. And yes sir, in the Bible menim say nipa bi bi kwa sorry dem so boko bompai. Ba ko koy o se Yankopon me nsem fata kra se nka me ba wanim. Ma ye bone hwa me bone so na jemi. Ba so sorry Nyankopon me dia wonim se me ye kama me ye trini ni me tua me tight me ye bibia babo mo na mo kire yo yesi Nyankopon ehwe ni oka so ye dibonefo no oje no ni oye trini ni no opamo no sorry dem enya trini fo ne ko ho ana onim za oye so fo na se onim se dia na akakakra enye atrini fo ne kwa sorry dem. You know. Yes, Christ ama training for. Anameboa. And some na u preaching no this wo. Remember catch you say, look. Share 101. Oh, information on them. My catch you say, look, that is not my interest. My interest is not to bring the man down. My interest is for him to apologize to the president. For people to know, say, hey, ye mpeni for say di need mom say ya no fun wo mo a esese etimi pa cha wo ho and then my interest. That's all I am not here to bring you down. I will never do. For me you ye receive akwa enya de kitwo what you say you know, but it is not my interest me nyan so menye eti sofu confidro awiei de me ka kire wa ne se ensemo a wo kafa president ho no make sure say Sunday we wo betwen sem na san no wa pa ne chew e wo won sorry mba nanim wanye sa me on Tuesday I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. Now sorry penny for the groups National Association of Charismatic Churches Council and the Omomkai Kahun our member no. Meshe sempeni for anti-me amfro. I'm apologize to the president. Be ye press conference no area. On the near who say we are all ready to descend. We are all ready to descend. And would descend heavily. But yes, sir. In discipline now, person will plant it in this country, no, you get the other side of it. You get it. Yes, sir. Asofo ye de ye need so say mo na mo beboa ama o man na eden akosoro. Mo na mo beboa ama o man na akosoro. But you don't come and be teaching people in discipline. No. We are not going to accept that. We are not. Etienne Kwana chase dabe na start preach yempo. Dabe. Kwasha de mana o ye I was say Matia sorry. Eh? You was of Ghana how? I saw for mudim. Omo kasa who say yes or makasa. Enye ntientie mu no. Enye ntientie mu no. Ghana for there. Sabe etoda nyama huna na yeso so. So de tie no. Eno na yeso so. Na ye de akire na eyeyi. Ana president you are hypocrite na man for bomb himself. Hey. Yankopon fa mbɔ ne nkyɛm wate. Yankopon emfa mbɔ ne nkyɛm. Mo Solomon at the 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 1 and 2. What yaba I kasa about honor. Nidie I emfa ma yempanifo. Nidie. What tra ho adna he kwasia wo Bible mo kan Proverbs so ni ade. So for ya ka Matthew so bi. Why? Ya ka Matthew so bi. Mekai, I was watching you the first day, and I'm catching my wife and say, look, this kind of software heaven in NCO. And I say, I said, I'm making, and I'm say, what am I for Bible? And I'm making, and I'm saying, okay, what is about kind of brother Sammy? Maybe the issue be no worker. Yes, I mean, umuadie, because you to no worker is out. I was sorry, demo. And just say, you're to radio sumbo. We jina puppet so no account kwasia to hey me see that day or you saw kwasia more than 15 times and I'm saying no, this man will not go to heaven. And I'm in far Bible and I'm be Matthew chapter 5 verse 22 and I'm be ya idi want me ngasa and I'm saying yes the Bible no can say ya jina ya gidi say Bible mu asem no e ya asem a e de e be ko ba bi dia, then this man will not go to heaven. He's a candidate for hell. I don't regret that too. Say nyame asem. Asem Bible naka. Say wo se onu akwase a enya dia obetima ko heaven. Then what sorry. Nyankopon pe arrogance o. Anything was obi obema no hunsu bia na ye bre na se. Me se one pa president achewa Nyankopon kasa be bre wase. Wote hwa no wasori na bo se to. No waji wani so. Emre bi atwa mu Abrante be sorry, dear friend, Preku, my daughter. A draya na or no natimi carry the service life or radio so. Na mamfo America. Any ade. No mu bufaso sa. Ego zizen. Etimi de me imagine ni. And eye enhye emawo se osofo wo beka se president asem a meka editia wo no banka ne ye matwe asan keke mayi free na wa sori mana no mugina ho na no mu bo mu nsam ma wo no o mu nsam mo mu nsam se ye papa yi chese wa kire se o ye matured person wa kire se chese oka bibi na se anko ya otimi hu eyeyi na fi ye the discipline ehye enkrofo mu eno adama enawie yi mede nkomo yi atoa so. But I am assuring you se wanye wampa president chew ewo wasori mananim Tuesday expect the press conference The press conference in Libya. I will say yes. You be called ye pa. You be called ye pa. Na hodom de be chere asofo. Say obi asofo na so ye arrogant ni power ye. Sofo bia ni hodom a nya menipa bia ni hodom a wo ye arrogant. I am telling you. Yes, ukonya mifia there is peace. Ahobrase. Huh? Mwana ana moka fruit of ye deben. Huh? Your holiness, you know. Arrogance in gahu. Anameboa. Arrogance in gahu. It is a president akasana se. We say when the president in yadwin. It will be dinner temwa. Mecha umanya nkopon. But assassin so I say there. As is upper president at all. What twe wasem ne sign up an cho. One yepa there no the be face opa. Because ye chacho honumwa. The next of us so ba be the same thing. The next one be the same thing. Na fa chinsem. Hwe se Ghana say yetimi so nsem so ananwa ma chinsem. Hwe obi yare. Yare ya wo yare wu hu se doctor pe e de betima asa yare no. Yes oh e yesunsum. Na so menko hospital. No ti hwa no awu. Obi anya ne hwe. Amanfo a awu because of asofo no, you have no idea. Obi anya diabetes, the sugar akosoro, esese wo fa dro di control. Esi o ehunhum yare. No what you ne kone no atwahwe no awu. No awu. Esense yenka ho asemunti no. Obi a eye no afa no ho adi and woko just like that. Besramu, the fruit of the spirit no e ka ho brase e ka mo exenzen okronkron ye ana asumdwe odo ene ne e ka keka ho wanka arrogance wanka temudidie ene ne e ka ho enti prophet Kofi Oduro ese se bro ho ase na withdraw statement no na pa president acho me se one panic me no di besi ani okrom hase yenti ase all I want to achieve and they say there should be discipline in the country. We don't want indiscipline. We don't want it. Yentimi. Dabi. Share the late Reverend Asante Nji. Now, we chairman of your Council of Elders. Last be. Na president ko baby say ya. Na me can. No. Me say ohu papa no. Ash. The way I was say bunumu etiap like I say hey. Just say me hwe din I'm say hey. So one fan say wono na ye leader ntino. Obeye ni opebia. Tepi obodi ma papa no that day me sua de bebre ewo mu. Me sua de bebre ewo mu. Hwe ya mame Elizabeth Ohene papa ihu na uhu chese ebuode na nua metin ejanam si I see entia chese wonu no ye president no Brasia eya no wo kaya there was national event bi obi a chia na president asofo no banana president asori agina ho no hwe ni dia ode mamo asofo hwe ni dia ode mamo because we yesofo nti president akasa o ye hypocrite God will judge you hey oh sofo umuade sabe wani mie kawunti min kasa semwe wo kasa no wonim se camera sisi usuo tu yo bi ona bia nka ho kasa semwe ana sofo no hufuo no mo ye wode de obeka koso neka the day nyankopɔ obeka say wa ende wa sorry no ma Jeffrey wonsam no that day wo behu enye wo ene sofo a waba Ghana wo asofo wo Ghana papa Pastor Mensa Otabil started so wo preaching am say next wo say primary school say middle school am say na wo ho wa preacher babisi ne oda so preaching o brand ho ase boko ajiansare started so wo preaching no na wo hefa o brand ho ase Duncan Williams mpenimfo akese omo wo honum a wo mu yanya medwuma president kasa omo bu omumu hwe 31st yi can say watch night ye kwa sorry na eduru yi ye bodwum kakra sofo no stop here because the excitement joy obiesa ehwa no o stop ade no o se ye yapon obi ankwatena se ye modwum no biem so because aden obetima ja amomasa but wonim say president akase yenye sadi we eti wonko eden onko buso eno ade yeka eti enu anom Ghana fo moma nyina yemfa yano yema yano nya baako da yehu se yenya problem a bebi a yebedwane akọ eye ya sofo ho de je omo kasa kire yen a yatie na se sofo entimi enkasa yie na obeya so brachie president kasa no obegina no awofom adi na temo a ensisi yeso sa sofo no so ensisi yeso no so mumma ye nyina yemfa ya no entum ne yenkanche papa ne se wankasa yie na ni nso ade wontimi endi Ghana president atem eti omna bonten ewo na sorry dem honom a embepa chew yaduanom ami se yajeje correction wie ne de osum no ba wie eti yebeda mu nyina ase na said ye meshasi a medi kan no you are free o pese o video ni odi beye bia you are free to do it but put my name there, don't add my family. Medin the hopes in Yauvi Adoye. Period. So the video we go to baby. Now the my family attach here. I am going to see you. That one, take it from me. What the two baby are now, what the my family attach it, I will see you. Get me Sramu. You are free to use it, whatever you want to use it for. No problem. But what I'm saying, good. I'm saying Yama quotation the baby. 1 Peter 2:1-3. Was it submit yourself for the Lord's sake to every to every woman institution, whether sorry yani style honum, but 1 Peter 2 is it 1-3 or 13? 1 Peter 2:13 or 1-3. Wamfa yina nche ho yentino ya behwe me ame fam Bible a mebie na makan eti eno ne ade a ya de ekoyi esese obiatimi esubmit ho ewo awurade enti ema opipia na sa oya waagene se wo de sofo mu nyina mo hyemrase sofo bia ni hono mo so no won de ode no ho so mo de moti se ye na ewo manum ye nyina ye hyemrase ye kase obi ankoda wodi America okwakoda bi eni ne kai ka ho eti mesro memma ho so wodi ase se wote se former president Mahama Kambibi no obi ayedin doesn't mean say wono betuma ba beka bi wontimi meka bi wono nyamedwuma na wo ye. You are not into politics eti yade ade ato ho enhyehyeye COVID protocols update a president be mai John Mahama ntimi nkase ono oye yinti no wonni so beti so oyo mind papa beti so eti wo sofo no wo tumi a wo se wo de president deben oye nyatwom nyankopon be jeje no ene ne kai kan no ene no free o muade wankasa yi bra na be pacho na Sunday mi ankasa me ma soro ho but me nkro for beba ho pa be 10 bɛyɛ 10 bɛba hɔ wɔn ba betie wo kasa wo ho a good ya ho sɛ watwe ano asan president me sorry ya wie wanyɛ dia then prepare to meet me. I am ready for you. Men konkodi watem men kopo men koyɛ hwee say ya adwenkyerɛ saa sɛnea wo wa no e de kasa no saa na ya de kasa but to say president yare no kunkum nkokra ana president yakokra nti no yare no bekunu no on de mesra nyankopon enhyira ma wan na nyankopon ene kyerɛ nipa obefra asase so ne anase okena nyankopon ene kyerɛ na Kufuor de we know Senator David Kayeno he will live to glorify the works of the Lord. Tiada mu nyina ase sɛ motie nyankopon enka mu nyina. God bless you all. Bye bye.